Today's episode is about real estate prices in Izmir, Turkey. In case you didn't see our videos before, my name is David. I'm the owner-founder of Aegean Locations and we are focused on selling properties in the most beautiful areas of Turkey, which are Izmir, Çeşme and Alaçatı. The first district we are going to talk about is named Karşıyaka. The district extends for 12 kilometers along the northern coastline of the Gulf of Izmir. You can easily reach this area by ferry. So for example, it's possible to hop on the ferry from Alsancak towards Karşıyaka. In the center of Karşıyaka, you can find a similar street like İstiklal Caddesi in Taksim Square. Karşıyaka also has a popular basketball team with a huge fan base. According to INGEF's research, Karşıyaka is the 7th most developed district of whole Turkey. One-bedroom apartments start around $150,000 in this area. The second area is called Bostanlı. Bostanlı is a neighborhood located in the district of Karşıyaka. It is considered one of the most modern and trendy neighborhoods of whole Izmir. The area has the hippest and most trendy bars and restaurants, which are attracting a lot of high-quality people. The laid-back atmosphere is attracting a lot of investors from Istanbul or other cities in Turkey. Recently, they developed a huge boulevard next to the seaside, which is perfect for outside activities. Most construction in this area is already built a while ago. However, we are offering properties which are renovated from the inside. 2 or 3 bedroom apartments are starting from $160,000 up to $200,000. The next neighborhood is called Bornova. Bornova is located in the northeast side of Izmir. It became a district in 1957 and the total area is around 220 square kilometers. In this district you can find the Ege University campus and also the Ege University Hospital. There are a lot of vibrant neighborhoods in this area. For example, Küçük Park is quite famous among students. One-bedroom resale apartments, so in older buildings, are starting around $120,000 in this area. The next neighborhood is called Göztepe. Göztepe is a neighborhood located in the district of Konak. The neighborhood is known for its popular football club Göztepe. Since the area is quite steep and there are a lot of hills, most of the apartments offer magnificent views over the Gulf of Izmir. 2-bedroom apartments are starting around $130,000 in this area. The last neighborhood we are going to talk about is Alsancak. Alsancak is the most popular area of Izmir. It's the historical city center. The best restaurants and bars are located in this area. One-bedroom apartments are starting around $150,000 in this area. Thank you very much for watching. If you need more information about real estate in Izmir, do not hesitate to contact us.